welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining me now, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also follow me over on TikTok and Instagram if you're not already. Today I have got a very exciting video. I now have my own Pilates reformer behind me, as you can see, and this video is basically going to be the setup and the first impressions. But before I get into that, I just kind of wanted to talk about why I have a reformer as a beginner. And I do just want to say I'm very lucky to be working with every reformer. I actually do have a discount code which will get you £100 off your reformer if you choose to purchase it, and my code is elliepearce. I'll pop it on screen now. It's Ellie with 2 eyes, and have it in the description below so you can have a little look at their website, what colours they do, just basically get a whole gauge for the brand. But yeah, just for some context, I started reformer Pilates back in November, so I've actually only been doing it for 4 months, which in hindsight is really not long at all, and compare me to now where I actually have a reformer in my bedroom is absolutely crazy. I am someone who has always wanted to go to the gym, who has had a membership but never really had a routine, and that's just my personal experience. And then I've seen like everyone on Instagram and TikTok go to reformer Pilates, and I just thought it was a bit of a fad. I just thought, you know, like, it doesn't look that great. Like, I don't know, I wasn't really inclined to give it a go until, I don't know, something just clicked in me and I was like, actually, let's give it a go. I feel like I was a little bit put off by how much the classes cost, because reformer, if you know, is a very expensive hobby to maintain, usually around £25 to £30 per class here in the UK. Started in Australia, and there are so many reformer Pilates studios now that it's just become a little bit cheaper there, I believe, if I'm correct. And here in the UK, I feel like we're just starting out, and it's still quite fresh, I feel, but I do feel like there are more and more studios popping up. However, they are still very expensive. So personally, around my area, it is £25 a class, and you usually can buy it in chunks or like memberships, but that kind of makes you have to commit to stuff. So for example, I'm a bit all over the place with my job and just life. I don't know where I'm going to be at what time, so I don't really like to commit to like memberships or classes. I've seen one where you purchase 4 classes and you have to go once a week, and for me, sometimes I won't be here and I won't be able to commit that, and I just can't justify losing £25. And I'm not gonna lie, I literally fell in love with reformer the moment I had my first class. Not gonna lie, it was tough and I did ache a lot, but honestly, it's such a good ache. You know you've done a good class when you ache, and it's just worth your money if you ache, and because it's doing something, do you know what I mean? After a few classes, I had a look at purchasing my own reformer, because I just knew it was something I wanted to keep up in my weekly routine, and I did see that they were on the pricier side. All the reformers I found were typically nearly £2,000. However, this particular one retails for £1,400, but with my code you get £100 off, so that's £1,300. And I'm a girl who loves a bit of girl math, so I thought, if I'm paying £25 a class and I buy a reformer, how many classes do I get out of this before it basically is free? Do you know what I mean? So obviously I'm joking. I worked out 1,300 divided by 25 is 52. So once you've completed 52 classes on your own reformer, it's basically free. Do you know what I mean? Because if you think about it, if you're doing this once a week, every week, if you do it for a year, that is, you're spending £1,300 on classes alone, and you don't even own a reformer. So I just thought, I think it's more worth it if you have a reformer at home. Obviously, it is a luxury if you've got the space and if you can afford it. But every reformer actually has an option where you can pay over 3 months, 6 months, 12 months if you can't afford it all in one go, which I completely understand that most people can't. I definitely can't. I feel like that is really good to know. But yeah, I was just really after a good quality reformer, because I had seen like the Audi reformer, the Lidl one, the Home Bargains one. Okay, sorry for the switch up here. My camera actually died, so it is now a few hours later. and I can't exactly remember where I got off. I'm just going to keep listing my reasons why I absolutely love this. Another thing when I was looking for when I wanted a reformer is I wanted it to be aesthetic. Now I absolutely love the wooden ones. I did actually find a company that sold reformers, but they weren't solely selling reformers, they were selling other stuff as well, like other gym equipment, and yeah, the reviews on it were so bad. However, the price point was really tempting, but I didn't want to have to compromise on that. And that just made me realise I want something reliable. If something was to ever go wrong with this, there is actually 2 years warranty on this and great customer service, may I add. Yeah, I just wanted something ultimately reliable and built to last. Also, the main pro about this is that it does fold up really easily and only one person needs to do it. I will actually quickly show you in a second how I fold it up. It's so easy. So if you're like me, a beginner, or you maybe don't like the gym but you want to try and get into reformer Pilates, definitely recommend trying a few classes first, and if you do fall in love with it, then I highly recommend looking into purchasing a reformer. And you really don't need a dedicated space for this. This is just my filming room, for example, but I can put this in my living room, in my kitchen. I can just fold it away after each use and it's so easy. I do want to quickly quick fire some pros and cons of every reformer. So let's start with the pros. As I've already mentioned, it is foldable and a space-saving design. It can fit into really small spaces when storing it away, yet you still get the whole reformer experience. Secondly, it's so easy to move on your own. I will show you in a second. Thirdly, it is a full-size reformer and it comes with all the accessories like the jump board, the box. I've actually purchased my own ring and Pilates ball from Amazon. Every reformer uses high quality materials such as maple oak wood, vegan leather upholstery, top quality piano strings, aluminium metalware, and yeah, this is all just designed for style and durability. You've got a 2-year warranty and you've got great ongoing customer support. Over onto the cons. At the moment they are made to order, so that can mean a lead time up to 8 to 10 weeks. So just bear that in mind. If you are wanting this now, then I would order quickly. Yes, you could say a con is the price point. This currently retails for £1,400, but with my discount code you get £100 off, so that's £1,300. However, I did mention the cost per wear earlier. This is obviously an investment piece, but after 10 months or around 50 classes you'll be getting your money back on this anyway. Just think of it like that. I feel like it's good to know that every reformer do participate in like promotions here and there, so definitely look out for that, but also I feel like my code is going to be the best discount you can get. Sadly, there's not a try before you buy. June onwards there should be a try to buy. I will let you know. Like, reformer is currently down below here. It is all bubble wrapped, so it actually came delivered in a wooden crate which I had to break open, lift out and do all myself and dispose of the crate, etc. And it came bubble wrapped. It came in 3 different pieces. So we've got the main bit here, the reformer, which actually weighs 68 kilograms. And then over here I have the jump board and also the box as well with some bits inside. But we're just gonna focus on the main bit for now. So I'm gonna start by unwrapping it all, of course. Oh, I am so excited. I just feel so lucky to be working with them as well. And the specific colour of this reformer is actually limited edition. This is a dark wood and espresso brown, and I'm one of the first to have it. As you can see, everything is so well packaged. Let's reveal the bar. Gorgeous. And then you just literally pinch these bits in at the side. I feel like this is so easy to like work out, even like not looking at instructions. Let's take off the main bit now. Okay, so I'm gonna pick it up from this end and I should be able to open it up by myself. Let's give it a go without actually looking at any instructions. It's like a silver bar at the back here, and I'm literally just going to pick it up. Okay, that is quite easy. It is heavy, don't get me wrong, but it is really easy to do. Okay. Oh my god, that's so easy! I didn't know whether like anything was clicked into place or not, but it is just like this. I'm actually just going to move the rug out of the way. So I'm just putting my foot on this, holding the bar at the top, and then using my leg to push towards me. And then it just rolls out. So I figured the front actually stays where it is, and this part of the wheels ends up right at the other end, obviously, but only one part moves, so this part will stay at this end. And then yeah, let's see how this goes. Ta-da! Wow. Okay, that was really, really easy to lay down. Like, surprisingly easy. So let's just get on and do the rest. Just now going to take the bubble wrap off the box because there's bits inside like the shoulder rests and the ropes and all of that. We've got the bars here. We've also got the foot and hand straps and bits like that. And then like we've got like the foot rest that goes at the end. Here is one and here is the second one. These look like they easily place on here. I'm actually going to bring you closer just in case you're following along with me or you're just curious. Okay, so let's do the first one here. So this literally just goes and slots and then bring it forward, and then it's right in line with this hole. And then I've got this to screw in, which is the hook for the foot straps and the hand straps. Literally just twist in. I'm guessing it is literally that easy. Perfect, so let's do the other one. Screw the second one in. Now it is time for these. I'm sorry, I actually don't know the proper terminology because I'm not a Pilates instructor, I'm just a Pilates enthusiast. For the poles that our straps get attached to, you literally pop this in here like so, like that, and then there is a hole here at the back and you just basically screw this into place. There is no hole for it to go into, but it just keeps it steady. Perfect. And then literally just do exactly the same with the other one. Honestly, I keep saying it, but I'm very pleasantly surprised how easy this is to set up so far. And that is next. We have the straps. So let's see how we do this. One end looks like this, and then the other end is a loop. So from my understanding, we grab this end first, and then we literally pop it through the top bit like so, and that should just like nicely roll. And then here we have like these metal loops. Thread this through here. I think these open and close. Yeah, these go through here. So let's just open one because I'm filming in the other hand right now, like so. Pop through here. Oops. Go back down. Okay, I need two hands for this. I'm basically following a video and they already had the foot strap on it. So the foot strap has like a little loop on it, and then I'm just gonna pop this through and then loop into one another, hoping this is the right thing to do. I feel like that's right. Now we have more slack, so I've got more, because I saw in the video she tied it up, but I need some more rope for that. So let's open these again, pull as tight as we can like that, and then she basically ties this in a knot, takes it here, then she twists this part and then starts looping this around quite tightly, and then loops it around 2 or 3 times and then puts the end through the loop. Like so. And I think that just basically hangs and dangles at the side here. I think I've just unrolled spare rope, but that's good to know that it comes with spares just in case they snap, which I'm sure they won't. We're on to the second one now. Let's find the end of this rope in this hole, and then I'll just pull this underneath like so. And then we'll attach the other foot strap on the end of this. Let's put it on, back through these bits. So pull her tight. And I think that is basically it. Okay, so this is the foot strap and I believe I just click these into the little metal loops here. Wow! This is so exciting, I actually can't explain. It's basically my setup. Sorry for so many different awkward angles. It's actually really hard to film on a camera, on a tripod, like this, because it's such a wide angle. But yeah, look, I have a reformer. Oh, I'm so pleased with it. I'm so excited to like do my first class on it. I actually might do it tonight and just get a feel for it. Right, let's give her a whirl. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I am obsessed. I've also got the jump board here. Let's actually unbox this. To be honest, I've never actually used a jump board in a reformer Pilates session. However, I've always wanted to. This is the jump board. There's actually 2 holes at the end of the reformer there, which they go in. Pop her in. Like so. You don't even need to secure it because it's already secure. And then I'm just going to put on a yellow spring. And I'm not going to do anything proper because I haven't done a class before. That is so fun! I'm absolutely obsessed. I cannot wait to start incorporating this into like my daily routine, or definitely weekly, maybe not daily. See how it goes. Fold up the reformer. To start with, I put the bar down like so. I then make sure all the springs are on the top, what do you call it, catch, so that the resistance is nice and tight. Sure the loops are off and they're just a bit slack, like so. And once they're slack, there's a bar in the middle, and then you just lift it up. And then the wheels come in. And then you just push it, and then it folds. And then I just tie these up around the edge. And this is what it looks like folded up. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to be sharing my journey of my reformer Pilates machine over on YouTube, but mainly on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure you'll follow me over there. If you have any questions about the reformer or my experience, then please comment down below and I will get back to each and every one of you. And yeah, just please don't forget, I do have a discount code which will save you £100. It's elliepearce, double I. I'll pop it on screen and down below in the caption. And if you'd use my code, I would be so grateful if you'd let me know, just because I can thank you personally. And yeah, I know this is such an investment piece, so for someone to be purchasing this through my code will mean a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!